Hey there everyone, Laser Dave here again from Trotec Laser. I have another laser hack to show you today. This laser hack is especially beneficial for high-value, one-of-a-kind products. This hack will show you how to use common blue painter's tape as a tool to prove a concept without actually marking into the material or object to confirm orientation or placement of an engraved graphic. Let's take a look. For this laser hack, we're going to use standard off-the-shelf Scotch brand blue painter's tape. Place some of the blue painter's tape onto the surface of the object or material. Then place the object into the laser and engrave using paper power settings. However, I do recommend that you test the settings so that you see a result like this. When engraving this kind of tape, it will turn the tape white when engraved, producing high contrast marks. This contrast will produce a perfect orientation and look onto the surface of the material or product to prove the concept. You can see here the part is not affected. I am able to remove the painter's tape to show that the box in this case was unaffected by the heat of the laser. If the mark is correct, you can either remove the tape and engrave the product with confidence, or leave the tape in place, as I am doing in this case, change the parameters, and rerun the file with the new settings. The laser will then engrave through the tape into the surface of the material. Once the product is finished, you can remove it and remove the tape to see the finished results. Or take it a step further, as I will do on this product, and give the engraving a quick paint fill to enhance the contrast, as this process also produces a perfect mask. When finished, remove the tape for the finished product. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for future laser hacks. We'll see you next time.